Pulovinak, and a very good evening to you all. It's a great pleasure to be with you tonight to lend my support to Netball Fiji's fundraising effort on behalf of our national team. I'm pleased to see so many familiar faces and to witness yet another demonstration of the healthy state of netball in Fiji. As you all know, some of the most enthusiastic supporters of the sport, as I've said, are from my family. But I understand I've got to score a few goals myself tonight by getting you to put your hands in your pocket, dig very deep, and help support these girls that are standing in front of you. First and foremost is to accumulate enough financial muscle to enable our netball team to defend their remarkable record of being ranked number 7 in the world. And as been mentioned, no other sporting code in Fiji has gained such a high global ranking. Of course, this team is also the undisputed champions of our own region, so we need as a nation and as individuals to get behind these young people as they again pursue their own dreams and the dreams of all Fijians for success on the international stage. This year, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, and Honorable Ministers, is the Minister for Sports here? He's not here. This year, Netball Fiji needs $710,000 to send the team to several important events in the coming months. To the Pacific Netball Series in Samoa in June, where they'll be defending their regional title, and with that, their number 7 ranking. To the World Youth Netball Championship in Scotland in August, to the one-off test match against Malawi, the number 5 in the world, in Sydney in early October, and to a test series against South Africa, number 6 in the world, and Wales, number 10, in Johannesburg later in October. It's an ambitious target, but the girls and I, and of course you, with your assistance, we hope that it will be reached. So I appeal to individuals and companies, large and small, to contribute as much as you can to achieve success for our national team in these competitions. I also ask the country to get behind the players, show them that they appreciated and work hard to raise the funds they need to maintain their pursuit of excellence. Finally, to the players, I say the nation salutes you and the sacrifices you have made, like every sports person, to reach the heights that you have. We value your contribution to the game and the way you bind the country together. Just as we are thrilled to the success of our rugby sevens, we're thrilled to the success of our netballers. As you all know, we're in the process of building a new Fiji, a better Fiji, a new constitution and the first genuine democracy in our history. But we are also striving to build a more patriotic Fiji. And few things bring the country together more than sporting success. Thank you for making us proud. Netball girls, and the road ahead will again be challenging, but I can assure you that your fellow Fijians are behind you every step of the way. And enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.